me show you another secret Canva element collection. Go ahead and use this code, enter it over here on the element search bar, and then this is the collection that we're going to be using. Let me go ahead and delete this, and we're going to start with our first image. This can be used for your Valentine's or all year round. Let's go ahead and adjust this image, and we're going to go ahead and center it right here. Once we have that, we're going to go ahead and bring our next image. This one is going to be on our corners. We're going to go ahead and lock it in place right here. And then we're going to go ahead and lock it in over here on this other corner. We're going to duplicate it once we have it. And we're going to bring it down right here. And then once we lock it in, we're going to go ahead and duplicate once more and lock it in place right here. We're going to get our third image. And this one is going to be on the top center. Let's go ahead and just adjust the size, resize it, and lock it in place right here and bring it down here, duplicate it. We'll go ahead and bring our fourth image right here. We're going to go ahead and tilt this one a little bit right here, and then we're going to go ahead and center it and lock it in place and duplicate, center it, lock it in place. We're going to go ahead and fill in our blank space right here, our white space, with these heart lollipops and this candy right here and right here. So this is our pattern. Once we have it, we're going to go ahead and download as a PNG transparent background. Let's go ahead and open a blank Canva and bring in our image, and we're going to go ahead and resize it to a quarter of a page, duplicate it 4 times and bring it down here. And then if you want your image even smaller or your pattern even smaller, just go ahead and shrink it down to a quarter of a page and duplicate it. Let me go ahead and show you another collection that is similar, and this is the code. Just go ahead and copy it and enter it in the search bar. If I'm going too fast, just go ahead and pause it. Let me go ahead and delete this and bring in our images. This is similar, and then you could use mix and match the collections. Let's go ahead and center this one right here. We also tilted it. And once we have it, we'll bring our next image. We're going to go ahead and tilt this one as well. And we're going to go ahead and this is going to be our corner image. We duplicate this 4 times because it's going to go on each corner. We lock it in, and this one as well. Now we're going to go ahead and get our third image, resize it. We're also going to go ahead and tilt it and put it on the top corner, top center, and duplicate it and bottom center. Let's get our fourth image. You're basically just using 4 images, almost the same size, and then you're going to use 2 to fill in the white space. So we're going to go ahead and center these. And if you see that white space, we need to put more images, but I just a little bit smaller than the other ones. And then we're going to also bring this one in, these hearts. And then we just download it the same as a PNG transparent background. We have the transparent background because we want to be able to change the background color. We're going to go ahead and resize this to a quarter of a page right here. Duplicate, bring it down. And if you want your pattern smaller, just go ahead and resize it, all 4 of them, to a quarter of an inch, and then just duplicate them. Once you have that, you download them, transparent background, and you're able to change the color of the background just like these. If you guys are interested in these patterns, go ahead and check out our website. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next video.